Hi, I'm so glad you've excited to explore some biographies, and I hope you have lots of fun using our resources. I've tried to make it easy for you, and I will go step by step to show you how to get to our collection of biography materials. So this is our regular home screen that you will find in our library on the computers. If it isn't there, if you go down in the dock and see the library books and browse library, when you click on it, you'll get right to this screen. If you are on a Chromebook, they are up here in the bookmarks, and under bookmarks you can just click on Lincoln Library and you will also get to this screen. This is the one we use most of the time, but today I want to show you Destiny Discover. So if you click on that tab, you will get to our Discover page. Now in other trainings, I'll tell you about the different tabs here, but for our biography, we want to go over here to the grid and we want to choose Collections. And when you get to Collections, you'll see right now we just have one, and it's the biography one. So you can click on Biographies. And when you do, you will notice we have 379 items available. And that includes a variety of books, of videos, of online databases and ebooks, all kinds of things to help you find lots of resources for your biographies. So what I want to show you first is the different ways that you can sort what you're looking for. So right now we're on most recent. It's what's been added recently. So you can see I added our databases last. We have 3 on the top here. And then we're going into our books. I added some books there and just went through. These aren't in any certain order right now other than how I added them the most recent. If you wanted to search by title, say A through Z, starting with the beginning of the alphabet, you could do that. And that might be helpful if you hadn't chosen your topic yet, but you were thinking maybe Abraham Lincoln or a different person whose name started at the beginning of the alphabet and you just wanted to see what we had. Same if your person was closer to the end of the alphabet, you could search that way and go down by ones that are closer to the end. So there's a few different options for you for your searching. There's also material type, and that would be books. It starts with our books first, and then it would go to databases, and then it would go to our videos. If you scroll down, you can see what the resource is here too, and it'll tell you and the call number so that you can go locate it on the shelf if you want. There are a few more ways you can search. Right now we're under this tab so that you see the icons nice and large. If you want to view it this way, you could do that. They're a little smaller and more fit on the page, or you could view it this way. It's all just personal preference. I like this one, so we'll keep it on this. Now going over here, you'll see the filter. And this filter tool is helpful if, say, you already know who you want to research. So let's say I wanted to do George